Wondering if you need weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly cleaning? Here are 3 quick questions to help you decide. Question 1. Do you have kids, pets, or high foot traffic? If yes, weekly cleaning is your best bet. It keeps up with the constant mess and saves you from weekend deep cleaning marathons. Question 2. Is your lifestyle moderately busy with occasional entertaining? Bi-weekly cleaning strikes the perfect balance. Your home stays consistently clean without breaking the budget. Question 3. Are you single, a couple, or just naturally tidy? Monthly cleaning might be all you need to maintain those already clean spaces. Here's the thing, no matter which frequency you choose, having professionals handle it changes everything. Bear Brothers Cleaning has helped hundreds of Alabama families find their perfect cleaning rhythm with their satisfaction guarantee. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com.